How it is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Fire Red. In the last episode, we came to Cerulean City and defeated our rival and came to Vermilion City. Off screen, I grinded our whole team up to level 26 and I trained this Magikarp up to level 10. Okay, off screen, I caught a Drowsy and a Spearow. Okay, before I show you some. Okay. I wanna give you guys some tips. If you talk to this girl in Pokemon Center, she'll give us a VS Seeker, which is going to be useful for rematching trainers. And in this house, if you talk to this old man, if it doesn't take that free magic carb, you can get an magic carb by fishing. Okay, if you came to this house and talk to this girl, she wants a Spearow for trade, and if we have a Spearow and we trade it, we'll get an CH Ding, the Farfetch'd. And if you talk to the old man in this house, okay, let's quickly talk to this man. He will give us an bike voucher which we can give the bike man for a bicycle. And there is Dignet Tunnel and Route 11 here. Okay, and we are going to SSN. In SSN, in the second room, there is a girl who will heal up our Pokemon. I already battled all of these guys in this SSN except for one trainer, and that is being our rival. Okay, let's take on our rival. Yeah, Bonjour. Yeah, imagine seeing you here. Yeah, we were really invited. So how's your Pokédex coming? I already caught 40 kinds of ball. Different cards are everywhere. Crawl around in grass here. Let's look out for them. Okay, he sent out his Pikachu. Sorry, Pidgeotto. Okay. I'm switch trying this magic card now. Yes. Go. Oh, forgot. Okay. Forgot that magic carp existed. Okay guys, by that guys we got HM1 cut. I caught some Pokemon off screen because our Pokedex center has become 10 and we can get HM Flash. But before we get Flash, we wanna defeat a gym leader, and that gym leader is being Misty. We didn't defeat her in the last episode. In this episode, we are going to defeat her. I'll see you guys when I reach Misty. Okay, guys, I brought us up to the Cerulean City gym, and today we are going to take on Misty. Okay, let's take on Misty. Use Pikachu for this battle. Take that. Go Magikarp. And go Pikachu. Okay, one hit KO. Okay, nice. The Cascade Bell. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you guys a trick. Somebody, okay, no. Okay, let's teach our CH Ding cut. Okay, it learned cut. If you can cut this tree and take a shortcut. Okay, let's take the bike. Okay, we got our bicycle, and the city if you have a Poliwhirl, you can trade it for your Jinx by talking to this man. Okay, I'm gonna teach some moves to our team members. Okay, open TMKs. Teach Water Pulse to Nidoking. Get out of here, quick. And dig to Nidoking. Okay, which focus energy. Okay, and Brick Break to our Charmeleon. Okay, Drowsy can run Brick Break. Okay, let's get rid of Smoke Screen. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna see you guys when I reach Vermilion City. Okay, guys, I brought us up to the Vermilion gym. Okay, let's take on these trainers. I'll see you guys when I take on these trainers and solve this puzzle. Okay, guys, I solved the puzzle and let's take on Lieutenant Surge. Okay, I forgot to heal. No problem. We're gonna sweep this gym. Go, Magikarp. Go, Pikachu. Trash. Static activated, no problem. Problem. Yes, that's it. Okay, that's it for this gym. Okay, we're gonna take an another HM today. I'm gonna buy some. Okay, guys, we are gonna traverse through this Gilgate tunnel. Okay, let's pop some ripples. Off screen, I bought some ripples. Okay. I forgot we had Magikarp up in front. Okay, let's put Charmeleon up in front. I'm gonna off screen grind Magikarp by versus Seeker. VS Seeker. Anything you wanna call it. I wanna stop mashing it. Okay, guys, I brought. We are out of this Diglett tunnel. If you talk to this man, you will trade him Abra for an Mr. Mime. We are gonna pick up a very important item that is being HM5 Flash from this aid. And if you want an Aerodactyl in your party, I'm gonna show you guys a trick. Okay, if you cut down this tree, okay, let's cut down this tree. You can reach Pewter City. If you can cut down this tree and talk to this man, he'll give us an old amber which can be useful for reviving what that thing. Aerodactyl. What is it? Okay, I'll see you guys when I reach Cerulean City. Okay, guys, I brought us up to Cerulean City. That's it for this episode. I'm gonna off-screen grind our whole team up to level 30, including that Magikarp, and I'm gonna evolve that Magikarp into a Gyarados. Okay, in this before I end this episode, I'm gonna evolve this Magikarp. Okay, guys, I grinded up with VS Seeker and our Magikarp grew to level 18. Okay, let's evolve our Magikarp. We have 2 rare candies. Okay, use the 2 rare candies on Magikarp. Okay. What? Magikarp is evolving? Okay, our Magikarp evolved into Gyarados. Okay, learned Bite. I had done a huge mistake by teaching Water Pulse to Nidoking, but we are fine. Okay. That's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in the next episode and brought all of our team up to level 30. Peace.